Emotional traders are getting nervous. They're hedging their positions at record speed. Meanwhile, calm, research-based investors understand that when that fear maxes out, it always snaps back and leads to happiness and higher prices. When these record-breaking hedges are unwound, the stock market will skyrocket. Please don't get left behind. Hedging ETFs attracted a net $6 billion in inflows over the last 7 days, the most since mid-April, according to Bloomberg Intelligence, and as posted by the Kabasi letter. This follows $5.7 billion in the prior week and is well above the average seen since Q4 of 2024. Gold, cash-like investments, long volatility, and inverse ETFs have now seen 6 consecutive weeks of inflows, the longest streak since the March-April sell-off. Meanwhile, leveraged long ETFs have seen about $5 billion worth of net outflows over the last 2 weeks, the most since early 2024. So for those of you with cash on the sidelines, as always, I'm going to do my best to show you the next higher odds buying opportunity. I do not see a high odds buying opportunity in the broader stock market just yet. Here's the S&P 500 as of about 2:30 this afternoon, up fractionally and still that unconfirmed breakout above 6,467 level right there. If we can confirm the breakout, that would be bullish. I get it with the seasonality and September, we absolutely could come back down, so a little bit of patience. I know you don't want to hear that. The financial news shows will never stress patience to you. I will stress patience when it's appropriate. Gold continues on the rocket ship here, confirming the breakout above what I say is that minor level at $3,604 an ounce. This is so beautiful. I pray you're in this gold trade with me. If you follow me, you know I exited my long swing trade in crude oil on Friday because I had no idea, can't tell the future, about what OPEC was going to do when they meet. I personally kind of thought they might inject even a considerable amount more of crude oil into the market. According to Inceptor News, OPEC only agreed to raise it by 137,000 barrels a day. That's nothing. So that is why earlier in the day, crude oil did spike higher. It has since come back down. I have not re-entered any sort of long swing trade in crude oil. For me to get back in, I need to see a little bit of lower prices, but if we get it, I'll certainly let my members know if I make a new trade. Natural gas up nicely as of 2:20 this afternoon, although certainly way off their morning highs. I do see so far, let's see how it closes, a unconfirmed minor breakout above $3.02 a cubic foot. So be watching to confirm this. Let's see if we can possibly confirm it tomorrow. The even more bullish scenario, in my opinion, is the unconfirmed, then the confirmed breakout above $3.09 a barrel. Remember what I shared with you on Friday. The more times you knock on that door at $3.02, I said the easier it is then the next time you knock for the door to open. It could be happening. Let's see. Yes, absolutely. I'm still underwater on my long swing trade here in natural gas, but I'm willing to hold it to profitability. This is not investment advice, and if you don't know me, I'm John Crocker, professional investor, proud American, cigar lover, and owner of Crocker Capital, LLC.